Hey everyone, and welcome to Urban Astray. This video will be a bit different since I will skip the entire intro. The reason for this is I'm going to take a look at three maps, and especially this one. It's very large, so I have to spread it out in my living room instead. So anyway, let's take a look at the three different maps. This one isn't special. This is from our last trip. Well, it does say 2018, but we were there 2019, I think. So this is the Disneyland part, the Disney California Adventure section. Now the next one is Universal Studios, and this one is dated, let's see, copyright 1990. And I'm doing this one-handed, so you'll just have to bear with me here. Let's see if we can get this unfolded. Come on. And the neat thing about this map is that you can actually color it yourself on the back side. So let's see. Universal Studios, Florida, of course, in 1990. Let's see, do we have any confrontation? Earthquake, yeah. Or here's Jaws. Back to the Future ride. The E.T. Adventure. Well, here's the parking lot. Let's see, Nickelodeon. We have Ghostbusters. Wasn't that some kind of review? I recall there being a backdraft and things like that. This one is gone. Alfred Hitchcock. And now there's a roller coaster here, I think. Not sure about Nickelodeon. Let's see, do we have the, well, no. Yeah, post-production Murder, She Wrote. Oh, you have to excuse the glare on the map. It's wintertime here and the lighting isn't the best. So let's see, do we have anything else of interest? Phantom of the Opera horror makeup. Let's see. Nothing else that I can find. Well, okay. It's a pretty cool map if you ask me. Let's just turn this one over. And you can see this is just a line art version of the entire map, so you can color it yourself, which I did at some point, but I never got that far. So anyway, that's the Universal, and now for the actual main map, which I want to show, which is this huge Knott's Berry Farm. Let's see if we, yep, oh no, it's the wrong way. Let's see. And this is humongous. So it says, Knott's Berry Farm Old Time Adventures, Buena Park, California, USA, official souvenir map. And I believe this is a 70s map or early 80s. So let's just go around the edges here. It has some really beautiful art. What was this one called? Corkscrew, yeah, plain and simple. Roaring 20s corkscrew, yeah. Some 20s, I don't know, Charleston dance or whatever it's called. Is this Mama Knots? What are these balls? Called skeet balls or something? I don't know, electrical bumper cars maybe? Independence Hall. Knott's Berry Tales. Yeah, right. Okay, I do have a 1 or 2 images from that one, photographs. Let's see. Don't recall these ones, if it was a ride, some kind of Mexican. That one I know. I actually have a few, 2 images or something, of photographs. Sky Cabin, Parachute Sky Jump, Roaring 20s Airfield. Okay. Oh, the whole area seemed to be called Roaring 20s. Oh yeah, what was those called? They were called. No, it wasn't this one. Motorcycle Chase. I'm confusing it with mixing it up with something else. Some really beautiful art here. Of course, the Timber Mountain log ride. Oh, here they are. The Knott's family, I guess. So what's this? Did they have a merry-go-round outside the park? Miniature train ride. Yeah, this is some really like the artwork. Okay, so what do we have in the park here? Ghost Town, Knott's Steakhouse. Here's the entrance, main entrance. Stagecoach. We'll just go up to the left-hand corner here. Birdcage Theater. Good Times Theater. Wheeler Dealers, bumper cars. Yeah, okay. So it has to be in these ones. Oh, that's where Knott's Berry Tales was located. I see. Calico Mine Ride. I actually saw a video of it. It looked kind of boring. So here's the corkscrew. Let's see, propeller spin, whirlwind, airfield eatery. And this one I really enjoyed, motorcycle chase. Fiesta Village, this seems to be a Mexican area. Can't really recall this one. Tijuana Taxi. So let's see what the legend says here. Restroom. And the welcome takes. Welcome to Knott's Berry Farm, the nation's oldest historically themed amusement park. In existence for 50 years and encompassing 150 acres. We invite you and your family to live the fun and excitement of yesterday's adventures. Acres of free parking. Huh? Was this a parking area? On a grass field? Maybe? I don't know. Or is it just that it's accessible? Oh yeah, okay, it's accessible through the cable car or the tram or whatever. So maybe, I don't know. It says additional free parking. So let's see, more in the middle here. Gold Trails Hotel. Yeah. Oh, this is such an awkward position to film in, but El Cinema Grande. Church of the Reflections. Stagecoach ride. Yeah, right. Okay, so it went from this place right here and went straight over here. Happy sombrero. Yeah, well, right. Okay, so that's these ones. Yeah. Well, this was a uncomfortable way of previewing the map, but it's a really beautiful map, and I believe it's from late 70s, but I'm not entirely sure. I can't find any real date anywhere, any copyright or anything. So, and it's just plain on the backside, plain white. So, anyway, that was a fairly short video for once, and I hope you enjoyed it.